Hi, this is Kiran Krishnan with Microbiome Labs. And you know what? I don't actually need these because hindsight is 2020. Speaking of hindsight, there's so many crazy things to reflect on this year, right? It's been a roller coaster to say the least. But the thing that we are focused on at Microbiome Labs is what is the role of natural and functional medicine in a health crisis like we've had? I think so many of you have illuminated for your patients and the population at large on the vulnerabilities from a health perspective that we have as a population that increase our risk for adverse response to a pathogen like the one we're facing right now. And then, of course, there are so many changes that we've had to make as a society, and many of those changes have a huge impact on our acute and long-term health. Not to mention all of the changes you've had to make as a functional medicine or natural medicine practitioner, with brick and mortar practices being closed and having to migrate so much more to telemedicine and business online, and your general communication with patients. There's so many things to reflect on. So what we wanted to do as a gift back to you guys is we wanted to bring together some of the biggest voices in the world of functional and natural medicine. So we have Dr. Mark Hyman, Dr. Jill Carnahan, and Dr. Pam Smith. And we have webinars and interviews with them that we'll be displaying on a single day event in December, the details of which will be below. And each of them will be talking about their reflections on 2020. Things like, how to cope with and deal with anxiety and depression, whether it's for the practitioner, your family members, your patients, especially as it's being driven by a health crisis like this. How to build a more resilient life, a more resilient practice, how to cope with adversity. And then, of course, Dr. Hyman will be talking a lot about the function of food and the food industry in the crisis that we're facing right now. And what are some specific action steps you can actually take in order to make a difference so that the next time we come across a pathogen like this or pandemic, we're in a better position to deal with it. Your patients will be better equipped. You will be better equipped to help deal with this. And in fact, they'll all provide insights on how to revamp aspects of your practice so that your outcomes during a crisis and then after a crisis will be even better. This is our gift to you. This is one of the things that we wanted to do because in our world, the future of healthcare and medicine is what you all practice. So we would love for you to join us for this free event, and the details of which are below. There's no cost to you. This is simply our gift to try to bring some more enlightenment to this crazy crisis that we've all been through and are still going through. So join us for Hindsight 2020. Thank you.